Hello, this is my oral presentation English 3. The topic of my presentation is the impact of Apple company on the environment. First, introduce myself. After, company's presentation. After, give reason with Apple we contributes to pollution. Then describe action that reduce pollution. Let's start. My name is Jenny Andrea Urbano Betancourt. I am 33 years old. I am married. I live with my husband and children. This is my pet Bruno. I work at Avevillas Bank. I am business administration student. I from Neiva Huila. I live in Pitalito Huila. I like to travel and dancing. Next topic, presentation. On April 1976, the American company Apple Inc., producer of electronics equipment and software, was founded by two young men, Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs. I think that Apple is a well-known company that has main influence in the people's mind, and the perception of the people to the company is very important for them. Next topic, presentation. The products of the company are made in China, and the products are not being controlled very well, and they are creating contamination. Since the manufacturing process till the end of the product. In my opinion, the fabrication of the products must be controlled better. I think that is very important to have the regulation on the fabrics, and we have to make sure of them are being using for other things and they are recycling into new products, and in the way we will have a solution to the pollution of Apple. Next topic. The company has the potential to become part of the solution and not the problem. I believe that if they implement new politics about climate change, we will have a reason to consider Apple as a company leader in doing something about climate change. This is Alma's presentation. Thank you very much. Good night.